Hey everyone, Dan here, and this is my video for the AeroGarden seed pod kit for the salad greens. Wanted to crack this open, give you an unboxing, see what you get inside, and I picked this up because I have an AeroGarden set up here, and instead of just getting the herbs that come with it, I thought, well, it would be nice to have a couple salad greens as well. So that's what I'm looking at, and it comes with a total of 6 pods. You have your plant food, and then there's also these little caps to cover up your seed pods when they start the germination process. I'm looking forward to doing this. It's wintertime. I'm in my basement, and normally I don't have a lot of time, or I don't have a lot of fresh vegetables that I can grow during this season. So I'm excited to get these going. Now, notice these kind of have come loose a little bit, but they say to keep these on when you're putting them, when you're starting them, because it's going to keep down on, I think, mold or algae or something like that. So this is salad greens, sprouts in 1 to 7 days. That's a medium. I'm going to utilize that. And then we have another one. These are all just salad greens. I didn't know if it would have like a specific type. So what I might do is 2 or 3 of these salad green mixes, and then I'm going to probably mix that in with some herbs, and we'll give it a shot. So hold up, and I'll be recording another video when I get further along in the process of actually growing these, so you can kind of see a beginning to an end, from an unboxing to utilizing these and actually having a harvest.
Check this out. We got some lettuce that has come in after about just 3 weeks of growing. Of course, I got some dill and some basil, and I had 2 of the 3 take off. Well, the one in the front corner didn't sprout as much, so I just picked a salad seed out of one of the pods and put it in there, and it's starting to grow, which is great. This has been fantastic. I'm going to be trimming this soon and enjoying it, and I hope this video review helps you in your decision to picking up some salad greens.